Let's build a Lego PC. Or rather, let's put a PC into a Lego case that we build. We've got this ASUS Mini ITX board. No fan, nice and simple. And I've got this old base here. And I'm going to start by placing it on and then building around it. Fortunately it's not, these holes here don't fit any kind of Lego things that I'm aware of, so we're just going to all the sort of frame around, and then we can start putting it all together. This may take some time. We've got the back plate here. Should fit against this, and if we can build some Lego around that, we should be alright. Have to extend this slightly. Here we have the basis of a Lego PC. It kind of could do with a little bit of refinement. Let's see. And this power button at the front could do with securing. Let's see if it can be lifted up without falling apart. not exactly the most good looking Lego PC because this base is quite just, I don't know, barely attached would be the word I'd go for. Yeah, this base, basically I need to replace the base on it. We've got the vents here, but this base is a major kind of issue that needs sorting out. Got the back, again, this base being slightly off. It's kind of an issue. And on this side, I've got another wonky wall and the power supply sticking out the top. Okay, so let's plug in this Lego computer that we just built. Put the power cable in, put the video cable in, keyboard, mouse. Press the power button. This needs sorting out. I'll have this booting up. The back of it. Let's Windows 10. You can ever so slightly see this lighting up. A good thing about a Lego PC is that you can simply take it apart if you want and rebuild bits of it. So I will rebuild this bit so that these sort of work better. Now rebuilt this bit so it's more firmly in place. Got a little bit up here holding it in, and I think I put something behind this bit holding it in as well. A bit of sideways wobble, but doesn't go that way, doesn't go in. This is the reset, and that's the power button. It's got a little bit more character.